Alright, before we start, I'm going to do a little intro, just basically giving you a brief heads up. In the description, I'm going to have a very detailed description of everything you need in order to do this. And also, if you do not have Skyrim on PC and you can play it on PC, I have a link to a video that's not mine, that someone posted. It's very detailed on how to get Skyrim for PC for free, which is very helpful. And it took me about 6 hours to make this video, guys, and can you please just take 2 split seconds of your time and give this video a thumbs up? The thumbs up really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I'm out. Alright, first thing you need to do is you need to have the profile signed in, and make sure you have just the profile you want to do the save on the memory unit you're doing it on, the thumb drive, and the game save that you're doing it on. Just have one of each, what I do. Make sure you back it up. If you don't know how to do all that, then figure it out. I'm not going to explain how to make a backup of your save. And then I'm going to show you the game real quick and show you where I'm located on the save. So far you got the thumb drive, and you got your profile on the thumb drive that you're doing the save with, and the save itself that you're modding. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to load the save up on the Xbox, so there's no tricks or schemes to it real quick, and show you what basically we're going to be editing. All I'm going to edit is I'm going to give my character all the spells. I'm going to max out his carrying weight. There's a whole bunch of mods you can do on PC, but those are only 2 for right now. So I'm going to select the thumb drive it's on. I'm going to hit load to show you the timestamp and shit like that. As you can see, I'm going to load it up. And while it's loading, basically what I'm explaining what I'm doing. What I'm doing here right now is I'm showing you where my character is located, so you can see that it works on Xbox and PC. And what's so great about the PC version of Skyrim is it's got this console command system where you can pretty much max out all your skills, your perks. You can give yourself unlimited health, God mode, max money, max infinite sprint. You can reduce it where you don't even have to do shouts. In the description of this video, I'm going to have a very detailed description of where you can get a whole bunch of console commands and stuff like that. And basically, I'm going to try to help you out on everything possible, for the beginners to the advanced people. If you're advanced on this, just go ahead and skip towards the middle part of this video where I'm on my computer. That's basically all you're going to need. Alright, just show you I'm located right here, so just remember all this. I'm going to run around real quick, show you there's no trick. Alright, I'm going to my items. You can see my carrying weight's 350 pounds. It's going to be like 3,000 or something. I think that's what the max is on PC. And that I was going to mod skills in this, but I couldn't figure out that I didn't have time. I didn't want to make the video longer and all that. But alright, just show you real quick. I don't know if I go to my magic or not. I'm doing a voice overlay as I'm recording. Okay, well, I didn't do my magic, so, well, you just gotta take my word for that. At least you'll get to see the carrying weight. Alright, we'll back out on the Xbox, and the second part will start right now. Alright, for the second part, you're going to need to download Modio, which will be in the description to the link where you can download Modio, and you need to plug in your thumb drive to your PC. Now you want to right click and run as administrator. Alright, upload. You want to drag this over here. I'm going to get that out of the way real quick. I'm going to hit explore device. Okay, you go to file, open. If you go to content, there's the name of the profile. You scroll down, it's going to have the games for right there, Skyrim, which we're going to take the save, and we're going to drag and drop it to the desktop. Minimize this. Do not exit out of it. Alright, drag and drop your save to Modio now, and you'll get this. Now you want to scroll over to the top tab where it says file content. You want to click on that. You want to click on this. You want to right click, and you want to hit extract file to desktop. But remember, you need to remember the end thing, which is dat. I'd write that down, dat. That's what you're going to need to remember when you replace this back. You want to right click, and you want to hit extract file to desktop, so you know where it's at. You want to hit save. Now that the file's straight to desktop, you want to come over here and you want to hit rename, and you want to rename it .ess, which will be in the description for which one's which, in case you get confused or anything like that. I'm trying to help you where you ain't gonna get lost. Alright, you want to name it .ess. Alright, now that you've done that, the save will now read on your PC. So now you want to put the save in where your Skyrim saves are located. Minimize Modio, don't exit out of it. Alright, your saves are located in the computer, local C, users, name of your user account, my documents, my games, Skyrim, and that's where your saves are located. Drag and drop this into there. Now the save's ready to load. Alright, you exit out of it, or minimize it, just minimize it, so you have to come right back to it in case you don't have to find it again. You hit play. Alright, it's going to load this up in full window. I'm sorry about the not being able to make it full. Like I said, it's very hard to get all the editing and stuff like this in video. Okay, now the game's taking a minute to load. Alright, load. You should know it works when you see the fuzziness, and you can see the same timestamp as before, so you know this ain't no trick. The fuzziness, ignore this, just hit yes. Alright, now the game's going to load. It's going to freeze up on me here. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I'm going to look at some console commands real quick. PSB unlocks all spells and shouts and whatnot, and the player.mod a space carry weight space then the number of carry weight you want to do. Those are only two I'm going to do in this video because of the time-based issue. I don't want to have like a 50-minute long video, but there's hundreds of console commands you can do for PC. And if you don't have Skyrim for PC and your computer can run it, I'll also include in the description a link to a video basically showing you how to get the game for free. I'm going to wait for program to respond. I'm sorry about this. It's going to be a minor 10-second delay. I apologize. Okay. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Remember, it takes me about 4 or 5 hours to make one video. Okay, we're here. See, it's the same location. Get this to click back onto this. Okay. PSB, it says 427 spells unlocked, 72 shouts, 76 words added to player character. Exit out on that. I'm going to show you that the added. I'll go to magic. I'll go to all. And basically there you go. I got every spell, shout, and all that whatnot in the game now. That's thumbs up for me, guys. That's a good reason to give a nigga thumbs up, man. Alright. Alright, show you that I'm in the same location. And sorry about it being a little jittery. Like I said, I'm running a whole bunch of programs at once. Now I go to items. You can see my carry weight's 350. I kind of did that, backed out kind of quick. But I'm going to load a console command. I'm not going to remember this, so I'm going to try to drag this to the right. So I can remember I did drag this to the right. Okay. Drag this to the right. I'm going to drag this to the right. And I'm going to hit the little console command key, which is right below the escape button for people who are new. It's like the little squizzly line. I'm going to type that in real quick. I know you can't see me doing it, but I'm typing it in because I'm stupid, guys. I'm sorry about that. And after you type it in, you hit the squiggly line to make it go away. But if you type it in, you have to hit enter. Then you have to make the little squiggly line go away. Alright. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to drag it back over here. Just show you that it worked. How you know it works, it says player mod, carry weight. Now it says 999. Now I'm going to hit the squiggly line to make that go away. And we're going to go look at my carrying weight, which I can carry 1,034 pounds, which is the max on PC. And that's basically all I'm going to do right now. So I'm basically just going to back out of this. And I'm going to save it real quick just so you can get it on Xbox. I'm just going to go start saving. Okay, now I'm going to quit to desktop. Quit desktop. Alright, yes. Also in the description I'm going to include what the console command key looks like. Alright, this is the tricky part. This is why I told you to remember the DAT thing. You're going to need to go back to your save. It's not this one, it's the top one right here, guys. Not the bottom one. I don't know where that came from. Alright, you take the top one. You're going to drag and drop it to the desktop. Okay, you're going to exit. You can minimize or exit, whatever you want to do. You want to right click, you want to rename and put the DAT back at the end of it. Yes, okay. Now, this is why you didn't minimize audio, guys. I'm going to exit out of this for confusion purposes. Alright. That's why you kept that open. Alright, you're going to open this up. You're going to drag and drop your save back into there, and you're going to go to file content, and this is to save that. You want to hit replace file, you want to go to your desktop, and you want to find the save DAT file. You want to hit open, and it's going to replace it. Exit out of that. I dragged the wrong save right there. I apologize. You want to drag this your actual save, not the PC one right here, and you want to hit rehash and resign. Make sure you do that. It might not work if you don't do that. Now you want to open this back up where you originally got the save from. I'm dragging the wrong one again. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm an idiot. I'm not the smartest person in the world. You want to drag and drop that one, and you want to hit overwrite. It says it's already existed. Who cares? Alright, and I want to delete this because I don't want to have any confusion on Xbox. And that's basically the last part of this. Alright, I'll show you the save on the Xbox version. Peace. Alright, now that you put the thumb drive back in the Xbox and you sign back in on your profile, you can go to your storage and check and see if the save's there and make sure it's not corrupt. If it's corrupt, you did something wrong in the process. but I'm not going to go right. We're going to go straight to the gameplay from right here to show you that everything works, the same timestamp and basically and all that. Okay, the game's loading. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. You can message me over YouTube if you want to request me to mod your save. If you just can't figure it out, all I need you to do is just email me your save and I'll mod it where it stands. I'll do that for free. Charge it all. I'm cool like that. Do anything for my subscribers. Alright, the game loads up. Press start. Make sure you select your thumb drive with the save located on it. I'm going to hit load just to show you that it's there. It's going to have that little messed up squiggly thing, which is okay. Continue. Now that I'll have my Xbox version, which is still on Xbox, guys, have all the shouts in the game and unlimited carrying weight, which is freaking awesome. So you can, like I said, there's more than just those console commands. I just did those just for this video purpose. Please subscribe. Like I said, it's probably going to take a total of 5 to 6 hours for this video to be done rendering, uploaded, and everything. Like I said, I'm already lost like 4 hours of sleep making this video. I just want to help y'all out. It takes me 6 hours to make this video, and it takes y'all like 3 split seconds to give this video a thumbs up. So that thumbs up really helps. I'm also looking for someone who can help me make an intro video to my videos. I'll give you a shout out or anything for an intro video. So if you know anybody, let them spread the word for me. Help a brother out, man. Alright, I'm going to items. You can see my carrying weight's modded. And then I'm going to go to magic. You can just enjoy the rest of this video. I'm basically just going to be talking. Like I said, I'll do this for anybody. The description is a very detailed description on basically on everything you need to know about this, all the programs, which saves which. I'm even going to have websites for the best console commands you can use, and everything below. It's described. And if you need more advanced learning and game saving, I got another video basically on how to use Modio and stuff like that. I'm gonna have that up. I hope this helps. Like I said, I'll mod anybody's save for them. Basically all you need is a USB thumb drive, and if you email me your save, I'll do it for you. I don't mind. Just send me a message over YouTube. I respond to my YouTube messages a lot faster than I do my comments, because I really don't have time to check all my comments on my videos. That's basically all I have to say. Peace out, YouTube. I'm out.